In a quaint coastal town, an old decaying boat sat abandoned, waiting for its second chance. A brave team of designers envisioned its potential, promising a unique living experience on the water. After months of renovations, the boat emerged transformed, featuring beautiful woodwork, modern amenities, and breathtaking views. Dedicated craftsmen restored the integrity of the vessel, while eco-friendly materials kept it sustainable. Now, this floating home is not just a place to live, but a statement of creativity and design, capturing the hearts of locals and visitors alike. It proves that anything, even an old boat, can become a vibrant living space with imagination and effort.